Hi, this is Bara Sapir with Test Prep New York and Test Prep San Francisco. And this is our opportunity to go a tiny bit deeper into the process of the EFT. Now, if you remember EFT, I spoke about it last week and we're going to be working on it today. EFT is all about emotional freedom technique and it's firing the inner critic. So what we're going to be doing is something called tapping. We're going to be tapping on meridians. And these are places where energy in the Eastern sense, in the Eastern tradition, gets stuck. And so we want to move it. Once we can move it, we're going to feel a release. We're going to feel more liberated. We're going to be able to go into the test feeling more confident and more focused. So what we're doing today is first we're looking at the sheet that you came up with. And this is what we did in the class, but I want to just review it. That we're going to go through the sheet and you're going to move through each one that you wrote down and you're going to scale it on 0 to 10. 0 meaning not that intense, 10 being completely intense. And what we want to do is get everything to 0. And that's what this protocol does. So the way that we start is pick one. I'm going to pick one for myself to use as an example for you. And this is a template through which you can move. I'm going to send you if we haven't already, you'll get it, a list of how you actually move through it. And this is going to be illustrating that. So let's say there's sadness. Let's say that I'm feeling some sadness that summer is coming to an end, that I only have one more month left. So I'm going to do this set so I don't feel sad anymore. Okay, like I'm starting to get a little bummed. Like I like summer, it's fun. People are in great moods. So let's say on a scale of 0 to 10, I'm a 7 and feeling sad, right? So the different points that we're going to use, I'm just going to go through them quickly. And you've got a diagram, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right here, 9, 10, 11. And we always start with this one. So I'm just going to go through it once and you're going to see exactly what it's like. So, feeling sad, summer's ending. So even though I'm sad that summer's ending, I totally and completely accept myself. I've had an awesome summer so far. The rest of the summer is going to rock. I'm really going to make it make a difference. And notice how I'm reframing it. Notice how I'm going in and I'm looking at how can I see this in a positive light. So even though I feel sad, I totally completely accept myself and I choose to let it go. Even though I'm feeling sadness, summer's ending, I know I'm going to have a really amazing time going to this huge festival called Burning Man. It's going to be amazing. And I choose to let go of feeling sad because I've got this huge final party at the end of the summer and it's going to be amazing. So even though I'm sad that all of summer's ending, I choose to let it go because it's not serving me and it's not going to serve me to go away on this awesome trip. So even though I'm feeling sad, I choose to let it go. I don't want it. I don't need it. I choose to let it go. And see how I'm just tapping these points. Even though I'm feeling sad, I totally completely don't want to feel sad. So I choose to let it go. I don't need it. I don't want it. I choose to let it go. Even though I'm feeling sad, I totally don't want to feel sad. I've got lots of things to look forward to, even in the fall and in the winter. It's going to be really actually busy and colorful. And so summer's ending. It's okay. I choose to let go of feeling sad. So even though I feel sad, totally let it go. Whoops, I forgot to do this. So even though I'm feeling sad, totally completely accept it. I can't change that summer's ending, but I can choose to have a really good time over the next 2 months, and I choose to let it go. So even though I'm feeling sad, I choose to let it go. You might hear my dog now. She's going to be part of this. I'll show you a picture before we end. So even though I'm feeling sad, I totally completely accept myself, and I choose to let it go. Even though I'm feeling sad, totally completely accept myself, choose to let it go. It's going to be a rocking rest of the summer. I don't need to feel sad. It doesn't serve me. I choose to let it go. Even though I'm feeling sad, totally completely accept myself. It's going to be fine. Summer's going to be great. I choose to let it go. And so if you're going along with me in this protocol, just put in your own words. So even though I'm feeling sad, I totally completely accept myself. It doesn't serve me to feel sad. I've got awesome things to look forward to. I choose to let it go. And I think what's super important is thinking about ways of thinking the positive. So then when you get here, you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, da 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 da. I know it's weird. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a deep breath in. Take another deep breath in. Okay, great. Okay, so then you put your hand down and then you just check in with yourself. Okay, on a scale of 0 to 10, how sad am I? Or how upset am I? Like, think of the different pieces that you're looking at here, and how is it that you feel? And chances are you're going to be getting to a better space with each one of them. So you just check in, and then if you're at 5 or higher, you want to do it again. And you really want to get to the bottom of what it is that you're not feeling. You're not feeling like super amazing, whatever it is. And that's okay. But you want to see from 0 to 10, where are you, and get it as close to 0 as possible. Now, once you get used to this, at the test center, when you have a little bit of time, what you're going to be able to do is just completely like have a moment. Let's say, even though I feel nervous, I choose to let it go. It's not serving me. So I'm going to be teaching some other protocols over the next few days with this course, but you're going to be able to move through this with ease and clarity and feel really good about it. So as you move forward with this, you have the template. This is just a review of what we did on the session, and you'll be able to move through it. So go through each one, fire the inner critic, and be your best self on the test. So this is just a little primer, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. So bye.